Hi! Do you like to crochet this heart with this diagram? So see my video! In this video, I learned to you how to read this diagram. This is so easy, and if you learn this diagram, you can read more of this kind of diagram and make a lot of these things. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful heart with this diagram. Okay, as you can see, we have this diagram. If you don't know what is this symbol, I write for you in this paper. So I teach to you which symbol it means. For example, this symbol means slip stitch. This symbol means chain. This symbol or this symbol means single crochet. This symbol means half double crochet. This means double crochet, and this means triple crochet. So in this diagram, this symbol is triple crochet. This symbol is the chain. This symbol means single crochet. This symbol with red color means chains, and this symbol means double crochet. So we need to know how to crochet this beautiful heart with this diagram. For the first round, I started with this chain exactly with red color. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 chains here. So I make 9 chains. First I make a slip stitch and then make 9 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 chains. Now I have 9 chains here. Then we have 2 triple crochet in these chains. These chains is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exactly in 5 chains we have 2 triple crochet. So put the hook in fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 exactly here. You must put the hook here and make triple crochet. So put the hook here and make 1 triple crochet. Now I have the first triple crochet here, but we need 2 of them. So make another of this triple crochet in this chain. So again, in the same chain exactly here, make another triple crochet. Now we have this shape. This is for this part exactly. Now we have 2 chain. As you can see, we have 2 chain. So I make 2 chains here. 1 and 2. Then we have 1 single crochet in the same chain exactly here. So in the same space here, make 1 single crochet. Okay, and then we must repeat. We need 2 chains and 2 triple crochet in the same space, in the same chain exactly here. So make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then 2 triple crochet in the same space exactly here. So this is 1 triple crochet, and this is 2 triple crochet in the same hole. Okay, now we have this shape. Okay, now we have one slip stitch in 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Okay, so find fourth chain. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 exactly here. Put the hook here and make one slip stitch. Okay, this is the one slip stitch here, and then we need one slip stitch more. Okay, because we have 2 slip stitch in this chain, so make another slip stitch here. Again, put the hook in this part and make another slip stitch, and then we have started this green part. In this part we have 3 double crochet in the same hole, exactly in 5 chain. We need 3 double crochet, so make 3 double crochet in the same hole. This is 1. I want to hide this extra yarn, so I put it here. This is 1 triple crochet. This is 2, and this is 3. Okay, then we have 1 chain, 1 triple crochet, and 1 chain in the same hole. Okay, so 1 chain, then 1 triple crochet in the same hole, and again 1 chain. Now we have this shape. Then again we need 3 double crochet in the same chains, so again make 3 double crochet in the same space. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and then we need slip stitch in the first chain. So put the hook in the first chain exactly here and make one slip stitch here. Now you complete this heart. Make 1 chain and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn, and cut this extra yarn too. Okay, now I make 2 of this heart. You can use it for design for your dress, for your clips, or everything you need is good for them. So if you can see, we crochet this heart with this diagram. This is so easy, and you can use this kind of diagram for crochet something like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment hearts, but pink hearts in this comments, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.